Welcome and welcome to Goody Inspired. God bless you. My name is Goody. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 dreams that indicate you will be rich, that wealth and abundance awaits you. You will have a rich future. These dreams signify that God will bless you. It is in the plan of God for you to command wealth and live in abundance, to have financial freedom, and it will manifest in the nearest future if it's not already manifesting. These dreams, most of you might have been having it often, not one, not twice. It's been recurring. So here are 6 dreams that indicate that a life of wealth and prosperity awaits you. 1. Dream of gold and treasures. Dreaming of gold or other precious metal like silver is a powerful sign of wealth and abundance. Gold in particular symbolizes prosperity and value. If you dream of discovering gold or finding hidden treasures like jewels or any valuable item, it signifies that you will uncover a valuable recreative opportunity that will help you achieve financial success soon. Such dreams can also represent something valuable in your life, like a skill, potential, or hidden talents within yourself will lead to your future success. Gold and treasure are often hidden in obscure places, requiring determination and effort to uncover. This shows you need to put in more work to achieve this success. 2. Seeing or receiving money in dreams. Dreams where you see or receive money symbolizes financial gain as long as the money is intact and not torn or old and you are not picking it up from the ground. It's a positive sign. When you receive money, it means God is about to bless you financially. You are on the right path towards financial abundance. A financial opportunity is coming your way and a major financial breakthrough is about to manifest physically in your life. 3. Dreams of harvest and bountiful crops. A bountiful harvest is synonymous with wealth, stability, and financial success. Dreams of fertile fields, abundant crops, or overflowing barns are often interpreted as signs of financial gain and success. It means you will reap the rewards from your hard work, that the efforts you've been putting in will bear fruit soon, leading to financial gains. Whether it's a promotion at work or a successful business venture, your efforts are about to pay off. I recall a dream I had years ago where I was returning home and saw a road leading to my house filled with fresh, clean potatoes. I brought a large white bag and started packing them, but there were too many. So I went to my compound to tell anyone I see about the potatoes, asking them to come and pack, but they ignored me. I went back and continued packing the potatoes. That night, I had other breakthrough dreams as well. Interestingly, I had this dream on Saturday morning after my vigil, and just a few days later, on Tuesday, I received a promotion at work. That was a prophetic dream. The potato symbolized abundance, prosperity, and blessings, which manifested as my promotion. 4. Dreams of clear water. One of the interpretations for dream of clear, calm water is prosperity and financial clarity. Such dreams means that you are in a state of balance, that wealth will flow smoothly into your life. On the other hand, turbulent water indicates challenges that once overcome will lead to financial success. Also, drawing water from the well means financial abundance. If the water is easy to draw, finances will come to you without difficulties. However, if you were drawing it with much strength, it indicates challenges, but financial success is assured. I remember a dream I had once. I was at the well to draw water. To my surprise, the well was almost filled to the brim, and I only needed to scoop the water with a deep plate. 5. Dreams of receiving gifts. Dreams in which you receive valuable gifts, inheritances, or unexpected tokens of appreciation often symbolize forthcoming financial benefits. Those dreams indicate that you may receive money or valuable assets from unexpected sources, leading to an increase in your wealth. Such dreams can be seen as blessings from God, indicating that your financial situation is about to improve. 6. Dreams of royalty and luxury. Dreaming of being surrounded by luxury, living in a palace, or being treated like royalty can indicate that wealth and high status are forthcoming. It means you are destined for greater financial success. Such dreams show that you will soon experience an upgrade in your lifestyle as a result of financial prosperity or social recognition. God is bringing a season of abundance and honor where your life will be transformed for the better. Dreams can be a powerful source of insight into what the future holds for us. Realizing your dreams of wealth and prosperity requires hard work, determination, and God's grace. So stay focused on your goals and turn those nighttime visions of riches into reality. So the next time you have a dream filled with symbols of wealth, consider it as an encouragement to stay hopeful and keep striving for financial success, because a prosperous future awaits you. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and clicking the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post new videos. I will appreciate it if you could share this video with others. If you've had any of those dreams mentioned, I would love to hear about your experiences in the comments. May God's financial blessings be upon you. See you soon in my next video.